Good morning, children. I hope you are all safe at home. Today, we are going to discuss about noun and its types. Noun is an important parts of speech. We should clear understanding about noun. Without learning noun properly, we cannot learn English grammar properly. So, we have to learn noun and their classification with carefully. We shall discuss here about noun and their classification. Let us see what is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, feeling, state or quality. Let us see some examples for name of a person. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, woman and postman. These are all examples for name of person. Let us see some examples for name of place. School, city, library and hospital. These are all some examples for places. Let us see some examples for thing. Car, flower, building and books. Let us see some examples for feeling. Happy, sad, angry. Up to this, we saw some examples for name of person, place, thing and feeling. Let us see types of nouns. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Types of nouns, they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. In this session, we will discuss only about proper and common noun. Let us see about proper noun. Proper nouns are special names given to a particular person, place or thing. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Children, actually proper nouns are special names given to a particular person, place or thing. For example, if your name is Bala, that is a particular person name. Okay. See one more thing. Proper nouns always begin with capital letter. If you start to write your name, for example Bala, B must start with capital. B-A-L-A, Bala. Let us see some examples for proper noun. Australia. Actually, Australia is a country name. So, it is an example for place of proper noun. Next, Harry Potter. It's a character name of a novel. Let us see some more examples for proper noun. My name is Kala. Here, Kala is a proper noun. So, which is start with capital letter. My cousin lives in Norway. Actually, Norway is a place. So, which is start with a capital letter. Albert Einstein was born in Germany. Here, Albert Einstein is a scientist name. He was born in the place Germany. That is also proper noun. I visited Taj Mahal in India. I visited Taj Mahal in India. Taj Mahal is a place which is in the country India. Next, Christmas comes in the month of December. Christmas comes in the month of December. Here, December is a name of month. December is the name of month, which is also a proper noun. Next, a river Nile is very long. River Nile is very long. River Nile is a proper noun. Some other examples for proper noun. Name of person like Sachin Tendulkar, Kumar, Mala, Vimala, etc. Name of place. For example, country name Bangladesh, India, Nepal. Whereas town or city name like Chennai, Madurai, Kolkata, etc. Month name like January, February, March, etc. Day, Sunday, Monday. These are all some examples for proper noun. I hope you understood about proper noun. Let us see common noun. A common noun is a general or common name for any person, place, animal or thing. A common name is a general or common name for any person, place, animal or thing. Let us see some examples for it. Person like man. Man is a common name. Already we saw, for example, Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam that is proper name. Common name is man, woman, girl, boy, sister, teacher. Next, animal like cow, cat, dog, horse, etc. Thing like chair, table, book, pen, pencil. Here I showed a beach, pencil, girl. Let us see some more examples for common noun. Teachers teach in school. Teachers teach in school. Here, school is a common noun. Birds live on trees. Birds live on trees. Here, birds and trees both are common noun. In that first example, teachers and school also common noun. They didn't mention which subject teacher. So, teachers is a common name. In second example, birds live on trees. Birds is a common name. Here, we didn't mention parrot or cuckoo, anything. So, bird is a common name. Like that, tree is also common name. I love to read story books. I love to read story books. Here, story books is a common noun. Here, we didn't mention storybook name, whether like Harry Potter or any other. Next, the coach was angry when the boys lost the championship. The coach was angry when the boys lost the championship. Here, coach, boys and championship are common noun. Next, the boys were flying kites on the beach. The boys were flying kites on the beach. Here, boys, kites and beach are common noun. Next, difference between common noun and proper noun. Common noun, men and women are common noun, whereas particular name of men or particular name of woman are common noun. Example, Sachin Tendulkar, Amitabh Bachchan, Kalpana Chawla. Countries is a common noun, whereas a particular name of a country like India, Japan, Sri Lanka or proper noun. Next, towns and cities. Towns and cities are common noun, whereas Patna, Jaipur, Bhopal, Nagpur are proper noun. Rivers. Rivers is a common noun, whereas particular name of a river is a proper noun. Example, Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, Gomti. These are all particular name of rivers. So, they are all proper noun. Next, days and months. Both are common noun, whereas particular day or particular month known as proper noun. Example, Monday, Tuesday, January, July. Monuments is a common noun, whereas the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort are proper noun. Newspaper is a common noun, whereas the Times of India, the Indian Express are proper noun. So, common noun is a name of a person, place or thing, etc. Whereas a proper noun is the special or particular name of a person, place, thing, feeling or quality, etc. I hope everyone understood about common noun and proper noun. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.